Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add email signature in Outlook. First thing first, open outlook.com in your web browser. Then click the gear icon in the top right corner. Now select View All Outlook settings at the bottom of the panel. In the settings menu, select Compose and Reply. Then scroll down to find the email signature section. Type your signature content in the editor box. Format your text using the built-in options like font type and size, bold, italics and underline, or hyperlinks, images or social icons. After creating your signature, click Save at the bottom of the settings panel, then close the settings window. Your signature will now appear automatically in your new emails or replies or forwards depending on your preferences. Just a tip, you can create multiple signatures for different purposes like work, personal or formal, and select which to use when composing a new email. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.